Story Greedy Dog. Once there was a dog in the jungle. He was very hungry. He ran here and there in search of food, but all in vain. At last he reached an butcher's shop. He saw some fishes there. He stole a fish on the butcher shops and ran away. He had to cross a stream. While crossing the bridge, he looked into the water. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought, there is another dog with piece of meat in the water. He opened his mouth to snatch the piece of meat. As soon as he opened the mouth, his piece of meat fell into the stream. Moral of the story is that greed is a curse. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Till next video. Bye.